What is happening, everyone? My name is Phil with Think Make Do, and I'm super excited to share with you some great news today. We have closed and started working on our newest property, this building that you see behind me here. Now, this is in Mid-City in Los Angeles, and this is a triplex that is fully vacant that we are going to work on every single unit. And so let's have you take a look. Now, again, this is 3 units, but this is 3 independent units. So you have a front house, a studio thing in the back, and a 1-bedroom in the back. And I'll get to all that a little bit later. Now, this is about 7,500 square foot in terms of the lot size. And one of the first things that we're doing right now is working on some of the plumbing. There's a big crack in the master sewer line. And so I've already had a plumber come out, and we are putting in a new giant 6-inch pipe to the city sewer at great expense to get that fixed first. And so for the time being, there's no sewage. Can't use the bathroom here yet. Anyway, let's go inside this house. So this was built in 1917, I think. And as you can see by this giant fireplace and mantle, some pretty old architecture. This is the living room space, and then you come into this area, and this is the dining room space. So pretty nice. We are then going to take a left and make our way to the kitchen. Now, all 3 units were renovated in this similar style in preparation for sale. I do think it's important to note, I think the original purchaser that bought this property, they bought this property with the intention, I think, of demolishing everything and building condominiums. And I don't know if it was funding or change of plans, but they changed course and decided to just renovate this place really quickly and flip it back on the market. Now, because the renovations, I would say, were done in kind of a strange way, it didn't have many buyers, and that's where I came in and I was able to pick this up with, I guess, some interest from some other competition, but it's now ours, and it's fully vacant and mostly ready to move in, minus some renovations that we will make to make it more livable and enjoyable. So, moving on, this crazy kitchen with this weird hole. We have a breakfast nook here. There is space for a stove and a refrigerator with a water line. And then you have here through this hallway, you've got the main bedroom and a walk-in closet with a light sensor. And then when you come across here, you get to the first kind of bathroom. This is a washer, dryer, laundry room space. And then you get into the bathroom here, which has been renovated and tiled. It has a pretty nice shower niche. But again, very strange layouts, right? Okay, let's take you further on this journey, and let's take the stairs down. First thing you'll notice here is, I think this used to be the exterior of the home, and they extended out and made this stairwell an inside staircase, which leads down to what used to be the garage and converted into 2 more bedrooms. Now, I think this one's technically a den. It's got this weird window space, maybe for fire code, right? Kind of small, but can serve as an office. And then you have this main bedroom here with this very interesting slanted wall right here. And then a very interesting bathroom. Again, everything here is very interesting, right? But a fully renovated bathroom. Now, I do think this property, when I look at some of the photos, was uninhabitable from a selling standpoint before. So they had to do some renovations to get it back on the market to attract buyers that would use traditional mortgage, or else this would have to be an all cash sale or a hard money sale. And I don't think there were that many types of buyers at this time to pursue that type of sale. Anyway, what's really cool about this place is there's so much parking. Look at all this space for activities. You have this huge hill where you could probably parallel park 1 or 2 cars along here. If we evened out the concrete here, there'd be a little bit more space around this bend. There's 2 spots here. There's probably 2 or 3 spots here, and then there's 1 back there. So in Los Angeles, where parking is at a premium, this place has a crazy amount of parking. I can't tell you how ridiculous it is to have this much parking on a property, especially if you're going to try and rent out to tenants. The number 1 problem in Los Angeles is having enough parking for your tenants and not forcing them to go on the street. And this property is one of those. So it's awesome. Anyway, right behind me here is what I call the studio unit. And let's take a look inside. Now this used to be the garage, or a separate garage unit, and it was converted. And it's currently set up as a small 1-bedroom. If you can see the bedroom there. But I mean, the whole kitchen was renovated, backsplash, everything. There's not enough space for a dishwasher, and there's this kind of island here. And we might make some changes here, but I mean, it's pretty much livable. It's ready to go, right? You have the bedroom right here, and then you have a bathroom. And again, the bathroom is fully renovated. So pretty nice. And you have a closet. Now we do intend to break down this wall and just make this unit a large studio. I think it's more functional with just more space. You'd be hard pressed to get a proper living room environment in this tiny space. Like, it's almost unusable. There's really nothing you can put here. So might as well break down the wall. This is the load bearing wall that's going down the center of the home. So this wall can go. So that is something we're gonna do. Anyway, that is the studio unit. Let's move on. We now have the 1-bedroom unit. Now this one was built, I think, maybe 20 years after, in the 1930s or 1940s. And this is about 650 square foot. So let's go inside. And as you can see, we've already started doing some work, but this is the living room. And we'll take you around the corner here. This is kind of your kitchenette, or your dinette, or sorry, your breakfast nook. Then you have a galley kitchen here in the back. Pretty good space. Then you have, what's really nice is a stacked washer dryer setup here. And then you have your bathroom, which again is fully renovated with a shower. And while this was really nice, I did cut a hole in here to make a second door. So let's go to the bedroom and I'll show you why. So right now, to go to the bathroom, you have to go through the kitchen, and that's kind of weird. So this is the bedroom. And we're gonna put a pocket door here. So I'm gonna move some of the electrical over, get a pocket door so you can come in from this side and enter your bathroom from your bedroom, right? So once we do that, all these units are missing AC, so these two are gonna get mini split units, and in the front house, we'll figure something else out. Anyway, this is the project. It's 3 total units. There's gonna be light renovations in each one. There's a lot to do just in preparation to rent a unit to someone. So this place might look like it's decent, but we're missing appliances in every single unit. We have to test all the electrical, make sure all the utilities are working, fix the sewer. There is a lot. Blinds, paint, all this popcorn ceiling we're gonna strip off and repaint most of these units so they look modern, and then get rid of things like these, which are super ugly and old. So there is a decent amount of work to do, but I'm stoked. I am super excited to be sharing this journey with you guys. This is probably the biggest project I've taken on independently. So without other partners helping me along the way, I'm just gonna be working on this on myself with my girlfriend, and we're gonna have a good time doing it. So, if you have specific content you'd like to see as part of this build, just comment and let me know. Either way, like and subscribe if you want to see what's happening next. We're going to be doing videos as much as we can to document the process on this property, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. Anyway, thank you. We'll catch you on the next one.